So let's see, for example, how you can change the values of the array. Change values of the array, console.log, for example, months, and I'm gonna send the value to the console, the number 1. You can see that we have February right here. So you can add something like this, and I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna add the months one. I'm gonna add, for example, something here to a new month. So this is going to change the actual value of this. You can see we have January, and then we have new month. So you can change the values of the array. You can also make the array bigger. You can add items or remove items. We're gonna see those in just a little. I'm gonna comment this, find something in the array. So let's say, for example, if I add console.log months.index of, and let's pass something like January. Save this. You can see it's going to be in the position 0 of the array. If I add something like December, you can see it's going to be -1 because it doesn't find this as part of the array, and it's going to print -1. So let's see, for example, how you can add more items into the array. So we're gonna send this value to the console.log months, and let's add something like months.push, and we're gonna add a new month, July. Save this, and now you can see the array has grown, and now we have this new month called July. So it's important to understand that .push is going to add this at the end of the array. Let's add more items into the array at the beginning. Double N. So in this case, you are gonna use another method, months. This is going to be the array, and then you use on shift. And let's add something like month 0. Save this, and now you can see in the first position we have month 0, then we have January, and then we have February, because we have commented the line where we add the new month. But you can see we have an item at the end, July, and also the month 0, which is this one. So you can add elements into the array at the first and also in the last position. So maybe you wanna add any element in the middle of the array. You can use the splice function or method. Add an element in the middle. You use months.splice, and splice is also a function that you can use to remove elements in the array. So for example, if you put your mouse right here, you can see we have the start, then we have the number that we want to delete, and finally the third argument is going to be if you want to insert a new something new. So first the position, we're gonna add something on the third position, so we're gonna add 3, then we add a comma, and we're gonna skip this value because we don't want to remove anything. So we need to pass this as a null, and then the new method, the new item, a new month. So save this, and now you can see that in the third position of the array we have a new month, and this is going to move the other items, and it's going to reorder the array. So in the next video, let's continue working with arrays. It's a really important topic, so we're gonna create another video. We're gonna see the rest of the methods in the next video.